Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Spinning Reel. Number 5, High-Speed Lightweight Ultra Smooth Powerful Spinning Fishing Reel. Great value, loaded with features yet low on price. C Night's newest feature-rich spinning reel puck. Lightweight, featuring a high-tensile molded body and ultralight aluminum spool with high performance and a compact spinning reel. High-powered, C-Night puck spinning reel's superior drag system offers incredible stopping power up to 19.8 pounds. 9 quality ball bearings, super smooth magnum gearing and 1 instant stop one-way anti-reverse bearing give it ultra-smooth performance. The puck is a great-looking reel equipped with an interchangeable right or left-hand folding metal handle and anti-slip knob. Number 4, Daiwa Pflueger 100 Series Bait Casting Reel. Bearings, 11 BB, 1 RB. Weight, 7.8 ounces. Gear ratio, 6.3 to 1. Max drag, 13.2 pounds. Line per handle turn, 26.3 inverted exclamation mark plus minus. Monoline capacity, pound/yard, 14,120, 16/100ths. Braided line capacity, pound/yard, 4,140, 55/105. Number 3, Shimano Stylify High-Speed Spinning Reel. Enhanced corrosion-resistant bearings, alloy frame and carbon side plates, new D2 gear design, infinitely variable centrifugal braking design. Micro-module gear system provides improved gear alignment, as well as more power and torque. G-free body places the oscillation system closer to the center of the reel, which enhances the reel's balance by moving weight closer to your hands. S-direct drive system allows the handle to screw directly into the drive gear, for a pure transfer of power. Core Protect delivers a major upgrade in durability by keeping water out of the reel's inner workings and thus greatly increasing its life. Number 2, Psi Fun Spinning Reel Lightweight Smooth Fishing Reel. Braid Ready, CNC machined aluminum braid ready spool allows braid to be tied directly to the spool without any slip. Lightweight, graphite body and rotor provides a long-lasting lightweight design for without sacrificing strength and durability. Unparalleled stopping power, Psi Fun Venom Spinning Reel features a superior 3-carbon fiber drag system. Butter smooth, 10+1 anti-corrosion stainless steel bearings plus reinforced alloy drive gear, stronger precision brass gears. Anti-corrosion, the Psi Fun Venom features sealed rubber ring in the drag to stop moisture and fight against corrosion. Number 1, Pflueger President Spinning Reel. 9 stainless steel ball bearings, 6,920 has 6 ball bearings. On/off instant anti-reverse bearing. Lightweight graphite body and rotor. machine-ported and double anodized braid-ready aluminum spool. Smooth multi-disc drag system with stainless steel and oiled felt washer.